What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, we have some amazing Aldi finds. I'm seeing lots of yellow tags, which means we have tons of clearance down the Aldi Finds aisle. We also have strawberries for $1.89 this week. Get ready, you guys. Get ready for what we're gonna find. I wanted to film in here a week or so ago. This is the newest Aldi location in my area, and it is definitely my favorite. It is super pretty. It's just new and pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these super pretty water bottles. These are $14.99, half a gallon. We have black, we have the two-tone, we have a light gray. Those are $14.99. We have the fridge tray organizers. These are just $4.99. versus the more expensive ones that we've been seeing in Walmart that are like, I don't know. You guys know the brand that's out in Walmart right now, and it's based off a TV show. Well, these are just $4.99 in here, and they have the pretty egg organizers, if that's your aesthetic, if you like that. 6 socks for $7.99. The sink organizers, including the glass soap dispensers. Lady socks, 6 pair for $7.99. Ladies seamless comfort bras. Removable cups, adjustable straps, seam and wire free, $9.99 for 2. We have sizes through extra large. I'm seeing small through extra large. Ladies midi skirts, those are $9.99. Midi skirts with a tummy smoothing waistband. This is what it looks like. I'm seeing up through size extra large. We have denim joggers. They're super soft. Those are just $12.99. We have, looks like 3 different shades. We also have some light blocking window curtains, and they're only $9.99. We have white, this sort of brownish color, gray, a couple different blues. The farmhouse baskets for $12.99. The either 2-pack medium coil rope baskets or the large ones, $14.99. This is a really nice size. Garden hats, $8.99. I mean, this aisle is just exploding with deals. You guys see I've only just worked this little area right here. We just have so many good deals. Acrylic bracelet stands, maybe you sell jewelry, $14.99 for your bracelets, your necklaces, or maybe you just want one for your own collection. We have the Crane brand men's elite boxers. I'm not seeing a price for those. 3 in a pack. They look really nice. The quality looks really nice. Again, small through extra large. Up here we have cute marker sets. We have Zach plates or spoons. You guys know how it is. Sometimes you get to choose like between 2 or 3 things. The character egg sippers, those are $4.99 each. Reed diffusers, $4.99. We have candles, the garden candles. We have Meadow. They have wood lids, and they're single wick. We have, this one is called Orchard. I thought it was going to be called Orchid. No, it's called Orchard. And we also have forest flowers. I just painted my nails, you guys, so I'm being kind of like dainty right now. We have woodland berries. There might be some more varieties in there as well. Those are just $4.99 each. We have the Huntington home towel for 2, or the round beach towels for $14.99 each. Super nice. 60 inches in diameter, $14.99. Something like that would cost $40 everywhere else. We also have the super cute hooded beach towels for $6.99 for kids. More beautiful candles. Ooh, $6.99 each. We have Balance, Dream, and Shine. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. Wow, they're so huge. I can't wait to look at those. Okay, back to these though. 3 wicks, Balance, Dream, and Shine. Oh my gosh, you guys, those are gorgeous. Look at this. It's the $30 candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wicks. Oh, it smells really nice. Sweet almond macaron. And then we also have hibiscus mandarin vanilla. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you want to give a housewarming gift to someone that loves luxury, this says luxury. Like, this just screams luxury. $29.99. And then we have these cute ones over here with the cork lids. These are soy blended candles. And 3 wick. Love that pretty color. Santorini Grease. That's magnolia and citrus. We have Paris. Paris is lavender and amber. Nice. And then we have Tulum, Mexico, mango and coconut milk. So we have the yellow, the pink, and the blue. I'm not sure how much these ones are because these ones are $6.99. These ones might be a little less. We have kids' books. This is such a nice deal right here. Various grooming tools for $4.99. I'm gonna have to make multiple videos because you guys, this is not even the only aisle. Like, I have this whole other side and I have a whole nother aisle to share with you guys. These are $4.29, the 3 wick candles. We have Lakeshore Sunset. We have grapefruit and sea salt. We have neroli and white sand. They're all just okay if you ask me. None of those were really like amazing to me. But don't get me wrong, I do love their candles. Just, I like really, really sweet stuff. This cute little casserole dish is on clearance. It's $9.99 down from $19.99. And it's a 4-quart casserole dish. 4 quarts. Look at that, you guys. $11.29 for these. You get 2 to a pack. Those are the mini casserole dishes. And then we have even more candles. These are the ceramic candles. Your voice can change the world. 2 wick, macadamia and honey. $4.99 each. The 2 burner griddle, $14.99. The farm stand candles for $6.99, and they are huge. Look at this. With the wooden lid, if I can even get the lid off, we have a raspberry on the top, we have a avocado on the top, and we have a orange on the top. Come on, brain, you can do it. And then we have a strawberry on the top. These are all 3 wick candles. Ooh, these are huge, you guys. Oh my gosh. And it's like a full bowl. It's like a cute glass bowl. These are really cute and nice. I mean, I love them. I'm really curious about the avocado though. In Jamaica, they call them pears. But I'm really curious about the avocado. It smells nice. These are just $6.99, and you get a whole lot of candle. You get 15 ounces. That would make a cute summer gift. $9.99 for the Balavi all-season doormat. I really like those. Really a nice big size, as you guys can see, compared to my feet. It's really huge. And then we have these little replacement cocoa liners. $49.99 for the cordless blower. We have the Crane brand cooler totes for $6.99 each. They're very insulated, very fluffy, holds up to 12 cans, and they measure 12 by 7 by 17 inches. Children's character umbrellas. Those are $5.99 each. The cushion potty seat or stool, those are $9.99 each. You can pick. Wow, you guys, I made it halfway down this one aisle. We just have so many nice items, so many nice candles. Steam cleaners, $24.99. Oscillating sprinklers, $12.99. Range Master flat or wok grill toppers. If I can grab one. This is what they look like. Those are $9.99 each. And the decorative lanterns are also $9.99 each. But you guys, that's it for this video. Come back to my very next Aldi Finds video. I have a lot more to share with you. I have this entire side, and I'm gonna say like 80% of it is clearance. I also have the other half of this aisle and a whole other Aldi Finds aisle on the other side. So definitely come back. I have to share these deals with you guys. And oh my gosh, you guys, I've been needing a new compost bin for the longest. I am definitely gonna snatch this up. This one is gonna come home with me. It says it includes 20 compostable bags. I've been needing a new compost bin for a long time because my handle came unattached and then it got kind of warped. But it was a different brand. It wasn't from here. So this is definitely coming home with me. I'm so happy I found this. Anyways, you guys, come back to my very next video. We're gonna look at more items. This week it's gonna be nothing but Dollar Tree videos and Aldi videos. So I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.